anything. He's just flattening it out over there right now. So he's got these big pieces of concrete. He's gonna put these at the bottom of the pond, just in the middle and not close to the dock. The dock is just over there. I have a video to the overview of the pond. You should watch that one. It's on all over fishing like this one is. So those are gonna go, and then here's like the pea-gravel that's gonna be going in the pond too. It's gonna be going on the first side of the pond. I'll give you a better look at the pond, but this is what's going in the front of the pond. And then I think this might be his leveler. We'll see later in this video, so I'm gonna go show you the rest of the pond. So right over here is the dock where it just goes like straight off. He's gonna put wood posts in there, I think, but this is the front of the pond. The pea-gravel I think is gonna be going over here, but we're gonna be having a beach over here, just in this area. But this is the front of the pond, and then there's a bottleneck, so I'll go show you over there. Then here's the bottleneck, where it comes in right here. That's the first part of the pond. Then there's almost like a little second pond back here. Right there's a drainage pipe where the pond would get too high to drain out there. But right here is just like a ledge. This is just gonna be a ledge. It's just gonna be a few inches right here. But this is like the second part of the pond. He's gonna be leveling it out, like with that thing over here. It's gonna be leveled out all the way across, so it doesn't look like a bomb went off here. But yeah, it looks like a bomb went off there and a bomb went off there, and this connected the two bombs. He's just working over there, leveling it out. So here we go. See, like right there, and then there's a couple over there. Deer, I guess have been like that over here. There's some more even back here. Wondering what the size of the pond is, if you're new to here, it's a half-acre pond. It took them 4 days to dig, to clear all the brush out, to clear the brush away, the cut brush, to dig it, build the outline. It's crazy that he did it in 4 days. Now he's just kind of like doing finishing touches. While he's working way over there, I'm gonna show you what he's done around here. Looks a lot better over here. He's kind of just flattening it out, which is making it look so much better. Looks like a little more work could be done, but I mean, for that big machine, that's actually pretty good to get all this done. Did a great job flattening everything. Like here it's unflattened, just like all this, and then over here is flattened. So that's the big difference. That looks a lot better than like that. This definitely looks so much better than this. this. The sump pump pipe pipes and pumps all the water into the pond. That's why most of like that water and that water is in there. It's made like a tunnel. You look like right there. It goes like into the ground and then it's covered. Then you can see over there it comes back. He just tossed a stump in there. I will check back in about 20 minutes. Just gonna let him do a little bit of work. So I'll see you then. Picked up some of the pea-gravel. See what he does with it. Spreading it out. Well, I'm gonna be back in a few hours. Just gotta go run a few errands and I'll see you back soon. But like I said, it'll probably be 3 hours, 3-4 hours, maybe even a little more than that. Looks like he's dumping the pea-gravel out. So I'll see you then, and it'll be really exciting to see what he's done. Okay, the sun is setting and I am back. So here it is out here. It's looking real good. Looks like all the way around the pond, it's all flattened out and nice. It was just all crumply, almost like that. That's gonna be full of rocks and water. But this is real nice. I'll go to the other side of the pond right now. But this is where he put all the pea-gravel. Like he did splotches where this bottleneck is. But I mean, he did it some here, and then he did it on the other side. It's kind of just all spread out here. And then he did some on the other side on that side. So that's what he did with the pea-gravel, if you're wondering. And then a little bit of water down there. That is it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.